I will discuss to you what's all about Raspberry Pi. So let's start. What is Raspberry Pi? The Raspberry Pi is a low-cost credit card sized computer that plugs into a computer monitor or TV and uses a standard keyboard and mouse. It is a capable little device that enables people of all ages to explore the computing and to learn how to program in languages like Scratch and Python. It's capable of doing everything you'd expect a desktop computer to do, from browsing in the internet and playing high-definition video to word processing and playing games. What's more, the Raspberry Pi has the ability to interact with the outside world and has been used in a wide array of digital maker projects. We want to see the Raspberry Pi being used by kids all over the world to learn to program and understand how computer works. The second is history of Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi is a credit card sized computer designed and manufactured in the UK with the initial intention of providing a cheap computing device for education. Since its release, however, it has grown far beyond the sphere of academia. Its origins can be found in the University of Cambridge Computer Laboratory in 2006. Computer scientists Ibn Upton, along with Rob Mullins, Jack Lang, and Alan Mycroft, were concerned that incoming computing undergraduate students had grown divorced from the technical aspects of computing. This was largely due to the school syllabus that placed emphasis on using computer rather than the understanding them. Off back of this initial concern, the Raspberry Pi Foundation was formed. Over the next 6 years, the team worked developing a cheap and accessible device that would help school to teach concepts such as programming, thus bringing students closer to the understanding how computing works. The Raspberry Pi initial commercial release was in February 2012. Since then, the board has gone through a number of revisions and has been available in two models, those being Model A and Model B. Comparison of Raspberry Pi B and B+. Today, see the release of the most capable Pi yet, the Raspberry Pi 3 Model B+, and the B+ takes the 2016 Pi 3 Model B and ups the processing power and Wi-Fi speed alongside some other minor tweaks. First impression of B+ are great. On launch using a Raspberry Pi 3 B+ with official Raspbian OS offers a better experience than using a Raspberry Pi 3 Model B. Was on day 1, partly as a result of the B+ extra power, but also because of improvements to the Raspbian OS in intervening years. Examples of application projects using Pi. The Minecraft game server. It is one of the best Raspberry Pi projects for you if you are a fan of online sandbox game. Minecraft, since its release, has become a household name and is one of the top gaming projects of the Microsoft today. Raspberry comes with a dedicated Pi version of this fantastic game, which you can leverage to build your own Minecraft server Raspberry Pi projects. For this project, you only require a working Pi board and fast LAN cable. Your system needs to be updated before proceeding with Minecraft installation. The Java runtime and build tools are required to run the game on your Pi. Launch the server and connect to it from another computer on the home network to test your work. The components of Raspberry Pi. It has a Broadcom micro SD card underneath, DSi display monitor, 5 micro USB power, HDMI output CSI camera connector, audio jack, internet out port, 2x2 USB ports, and the 40 pins GPIO. A comparison of Raspberry Pi price. First, the Raspberry Pi B+ cost $35 and released on March 14, 2018, and it has 1GB RAM DDR. Then the second is the Raspberry Pi A+ is cost $25 and released on November 15, 2018, and it has only 512MB DDR2. It's all about Raspberry Pi 4. Raspberry Pi 4 Model B is the latest product in the popular Raspberry Pi range of computers. It offers a groundbreaking increase in processor speed multimedia performance, memory, and connectivity compared to the prior generation Raspberry Pi 3 Model B Plus, while retaining backwards compatibility and similar power consumption. For the end user, Raspberry Pi 4 Model B provides desktop performance comparable to N3, the 86 PC systems. This product case features include a high-performance 64-bit quad-core processor, dual display support at resolution up to 4K via pair of micro HD port, hardware video decode at up to 40K P60, up to 4GB of RAM, dual band of 2.4 and 5.0 GHz wireless LAN, Bluetooth 5.0 GB Internet, USB 3.0 and PoE compatibility via a separate PoE add-on. Dual band wireless LAN and Bluetooth have a modular compliance certificate allowing a board to be designed into the end products with significantly reduced compliance testing, improving both cost and time to market. And that it's all about what is Raspberry Pi. Thank you for watching.